Hello everyone. For this week's PowerSafe tip, I'm going to explain our patent-pending hands-free sanitizer dispenser. This will help improve hygiene for preventing the spread of germs for any industrial or commercial facility. We offer two cost-effective models, a freestanding unit and a wall mount. The freestanding model has a sturdy frame made from formed steel, and the wall mount has a rigid plate between the dispenser and your wall, both with a black powder coated finish. Modular extrusion is used as a housing for the spring loaded action between the top paddle and the foot below. The adjustable shelf has horizontal slots and is bolted to the extrusion, giving you infinite adjustability in both directions. This universally designed to use any bottle with a pump up to 1 gallon size. These lightweight units can be conveniently located anywhere. They are maintenance free with no batteries to worry about and is easy to use. All you need to do is place your hand under the nozzle, press down on the pedal, and dispense the solution. We also sell the sanitizers and pumps to go with these units. Thank you for tuning in for this safety tip. For more information on your dispensing systems, check us out at PowerSafe Automation.com.